Look at the swing. Madden, how many do you have? I think naturally kids are inclined to have fun by just doing something that's new. And so really, every project is a new experience. Just all being out there together as a family, it's the best.
You just have to try it, and it's trial and error. And just not be afraid to get out and do something that you want to experience and try to be passionate about.
I think it's really important to have hard work and show your kids hard work. And Maximus, he's our older one. He likes to help build stuff.
And then our daughter loves to come out and actually plant with me.
The kids are always out there with us.
Currently, we're trying to get everything prepped and planted to do a winter garden.
The other big project is out near our greenhouse where we plan on doing a really big pig pen. So on a weekly basis, we try to do a lot of filming of our projects that we're doing, like the swing. I have plans on putting in a zip line, and then the tree house, just filming with our kids, keeping them involved, so one day we can go back and watch them all. Really fun to rewatch everything.
Yes, it is.
To see how far we've already come.